If you're struggling for money and your salary is not enough, watch this. All you need is a laptop, all right? When you get a laptop, you can even borrow it for like 3 days. Then you visit brainterm.org, braintem.org on your platform. This will open on your phone. So on this course number, you type 4 here. That's course number 4. Then you click find course. It will bring you to this, which is how to start and run your own successful YouTube channel. It's easy to run a YouTube channel, and YouTube can easily pay you millions. All right, you just need to be patient the first 2 to 3 months while your channel is growing. Once your channel grows, you will never do any work in your life. I'm telling you, you will not be a trillionaire, all right, but you will never do any work. So once this opens, you scroll down to the bottom and you click the sign up for the course. You register. It's not free, but it's 100% guaranteed to be money that if you spend it today, you will continue to love yourself for investing that money yourself for the rest of your life. If you're struggling for finances, I don't care what country you're in, whether you're abroad. In fact, it's even better for people abroad. If you're abroad, it's much better. So I will personally teach you how to grow your own YouTube channel, which is something I've done. My YouTube channel has 150,000 subscribers. I recently cleared all the videos there. I'm uploading fresh ones. I have channels with 50,000, 35,000. I'm just growing some too. So this is something I know very well. So when I teach you, I'll teach you things you will not see in any book. But also, I'm doing this class today, so I'm taking only 10 people. All right. So first 10 people that will see this video, or first 10 people that will sign up, I will start with you. If I have more energy, I'll carry on more people. All right. So, but that is just how it goes. You're guaranteed to totally change your life. This is the course that will make you quit your job. I'm telling you. All right. I'm not going to teach you how to be a trillionaire in 2 minutes, but I can show you how to get off your financial debts. The issue of looking for money here, looking for money there, and money to run your family, money to run your school fees, all those things will be past tense. So please tag somebody in the comments if you know somebody that needs this. It might just save their life. All right. And click this share button. Share this to your WhatsApp groups, your church groups, your family groups, your business groups. Somebody somewhere needs this. And drop a comment if you have any other thing or questions to ask. Thank you. See you.